Welcome to Payfunnels. In this video I will show you how to create recurring subscriptions with a one-time setup fee. You can change the name of the one-time setup fee to deposit or the name of your choice from the settings section in Payfunnels. We will leave the name as a one-time setup fee for now. Please click on a new invoice and choose recurring invoice option from the payment type. Enter the name of your service or the product and add the description. Here we will enter the business consulting as name and description. Now, enter the amount you want to charge the customer on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. In this case, we will enter $1,000 and choose monthly. Basically, you are taking payment of $1,000 every month until the subscription is cancelled. Now, please go to the advanced option and choose the currency for the invoice. Here we will keep USD. You will now see the option to add a one-time setup fee. Basically, a one-time setup fee is a one-off charge or deposit that will be charged initially when customers subscribe to your service. Let's enter $500 as a one-time setup fee. Once done, then, scroll down and save the invoice. You will now see that the invoice link has been created. You can share the invoice link with your customers via email, chat, WhatsApp, text message, LinkedIn, Twitter, or any social media. You will also see the web integration code that was created. This is the code to add the Pay Now button on your website. You can also click on the View Invoice and enter the information of your customer to process the payment. Let's click on View Invoice. You will now see the invoice details on the left side and the total due amount with a one-time setup fee for this invoice, which is $1,500. Enter the name and email address and click Next. Enter the credit card number, expiry, and CVC, and press Subscribe Now. You can now see that the payment is processed and the option to download the invoice and receipt is available. Please send an email to support@payfunnels.com if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video.